So what do you need to do to run a title search in Maryland? This is Dave at titlesearch.com. In the state of Maryland, there are 24 counties or county equivalents. And if you're running a title search, you first need to determine which county that property is located in. Now, if you're in a county or a city that's on a border, let's say like near Hagerstown or somewhere that's near border of another state, you may find that your property extends from one state into another. So there may actually be two legal parcels. Once you've determined exactly where the property is located, there are 4 locations in that county in Maryland you'll need to visit. First, start with the tax assessor's office. And from that location, you'll get what's called a property card. It'll have the legal description of the property and the tax assessee. Write that information down, and from there go to the court recorder, the land records office. In that location, you're going to run a grantor-grantee index from the index book and get a list of all the documents that have been recorded in that name. Take each one of those numbers and pull the deed books and make a copy of each one of those documents. Put those aside for the time being. Then go to the civil court records office and repeat that process in the civil court records. Run a grantor-grantee index in the civil court records, write down a list of the documents, and then pull those from the various files. Last, you need to go to the probate records office. There will probably be some family events like divorce or death or some other types of documents that could affect the property, and then collect those documents. Once you have all of those records put together, you can read through them to see each one of them, if it's still open, is it closed, has it been released, does it have any new ownership interest created within that document. You can make some notes about what those might mean. You'll have a rough idea of what the property records might determine. If a professional certified title abstractor was doing it, they would take that information and create a certified title abstract, which would be a new document. In addition, you probably want to double check with the Secretary of State's office at the state level in Maryland to make sure there's no UCC filings against that property. That's a brief description of what the process might be like. We normally allocate about 2 to 2.5 hours per records room. So if there's 4 records rooms, it's about a 10-hour process altogether. If you have questions about running a title search in the state of Maryland, you can reach us at our website at titlesearch.com.